Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! You may be going into the new year and in your M1 space right now, maybe you're going to be having a baseline study. And in today's video, I just want to share with you key things I've learned that can help you, key tips in running a very successful baseline study. Yeah, so let's get right into it. One, always when you're developing tools for the baseline study, work as a team. It helps a lot to share different ideas and perspectives of the different teams. Maybe if you're working with a team of consultants and they're developing these tools, it's very good that you as the M&E personnel are in the design process of the tools, so that when the tools are finally ready, they're context ready, they're very well appreciated on the ground. Yeah, so working as a team in developing tools is my tip number one. Very good. Tip number two, always create a robust sample size. Yeah, sample size calculation or selection is very important. You don't want to do so big, but you also don't want to do so little. Yeah, creating a robust sample size is very key for your baseline study. There are a number of sample size calculators you can use, but also you can look at the context. If my whole population I'm targeting is 2,000 participants, what is the most appropriate sample size that can give you quality data with insights? Then yeah, the Kobo Collect app is a very good app really for data, online data, offline and online data collection app. So I would recommend that one. Very good to use. Kobo Collect can ideally do everything. You can put in so many controls in Kobo Collect, yeah, for you to have a very good tool. So Kobo Collect is one app I use and I have no issue with it. Yeah. So once the tools you've developed are ready, very important, another pilot test these tools. I cannot emphasize this enough. Pilot test to see if they're easily understandable by the participants. Pilot test to see if they're really context appropriate, the language, so that when you have any developments that come up that maybe you need to change this, then you can change the tool instantly. You can do real-time editing. Yeah, then select competent enumerators. Very important. Enumerators sometimes can be a headache, but have a budget planned already for that. And also hire competent enumerators that are teachable and trainable, that really understand and want to do a good job. It goes a long way. And tip number 6, after you selected your competent enumerators, always make sure to do a full board orientation. Yeah, orientation of the enumerators, about the tools, about their roles and responsibilities. Select team leads for these enumerators so that you're able to easily monitor. Then do real-time monitoring and also spot checks during the data collection. Very important. You want to see if they are doing the right thing, if they're doing the interviews, if you're doing what you instructed them to do. Yeah. And then once all the data is clean and submitted, then you can clean, validate, and then start the analysis. That's it from me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we are back in full swing. We shall be having a video per week. So thank you so much.